Excuse me.
Hi.
You know that this is really dangerous, right?
What are you doing, dude?
You know that this is really not safe. You're gonna cause a big accident.
Just beat it, will you?
Seriously.
Dude.
Yeah.
Why are you doing that?
You know that it's not safe, and they're gonna call the cops.
Give me as much gas as I can.
Dude, it's not that serious. This is a little bit extreme.
Seriously, if somebody throws a lit gas match in here, it's gonna blow.
You don't mind? Just leave me alone, alright?
Oh, he's going. He's going.
Wait.
He's just gonna drive off. Look at it smashing.
Oh my God!
Oh my God!
What is he doing? Dude.
We have to follow him.
Dude. This is... Great, we're following. We have to. Look at that! Are you serious?
Unbelievable. I mean,
Where does he think he's going?
I have no idea.